Got to do a sound check on my system. I figure there's no better subject to do a sound check on than Uncle Ruckus, David Manning, that asshole from Outlaw Church on 123rd Street and Malcolm X Boulevard in Harlem. Unbelievably, this imbecile has a sign outside of that church calling the president a Taliban Muslim and saying that he's illegally elected president of the USA. David Manning is a damn idiot. I really don't understand how this individual is a pastor of a church in Harlem. Harlem of all places, surrounded by black people of every stripe, and 1 block away from a historic black high school, Rice High School. I'm deeply disappointed in this imbecile, as well as I am in the churches around them, because their parishioners, they have to see the sign. They can't pretend that they don't. So this sound check is for Uncle Ruckus. Asshole. Uncle Ruckus. You an asshole. Uncle Ruckus. You are an asshole. I can't believe you got that sign outside that church. Why, I ought to smack you upside your head if I ever see you, Uncle Ruckus. I hate to be you, Uncle Ruckus. So this sound check is for you. Uncle Ruckus. Uncle Ruckus. Ha ha. You a damn clown. Who you think take you seriously, Uncle Ruckus? Black people look at you like you a fool. Uncle Ruckus, what's wrong with you? Uncle Ruckus. How you gonna rap, Uncle Ruckus? You older than dirt. It won't be long, Uncle Ruckus. The sound check is for you, Uncle Ruckus. Goddamn fool. No fool like an old fool. Here you go saying this shit, entertaining white folks. You trying to get a paycheck from the white folks, talking about you gonna join them when they come. You gonna be the first one to get the gun. Uncle Ruckus, stop playing. All you doing is bumping your gums, man. Take the sign down, Uncle Ruckus, before we come and start a real ruckus. Uncle Ruckus. Give some of this horn, Uncle Ruckus. Uncle Ruckus. Sound check for Uncle Ruckus, pastor of Atla World Missionary Blood of Jesus Church. Blood fire, fire upon you, Uncle Ruckus. Blood fire.